Well, they're pretty long to begin with.
Let me see something here.
No, just
so why is it so wobbly?
I don't know.
Nope. You have
There's
an
no-
eighth inch of thread in there.
Well, yeah.
That won't work in a million years.
Well, just take the fan off.
Oh my fucking god.
Why would that cause it to?
Walk off because that's the pulley directly before the.
No. Like, why would that cause? Are you talking about for the belt?
Come off in the belt.
Oh,
I'm not talking about for your problem we're having.
I was just saying. Let's see how that would work.
Come on, use them figures like you have experience.
These have balls in here.
How would you know?
Huh?
Yeah, you have balls.
Oh yeah, of course.
You didn't even space this out. That's never going to work either.
Why?
Because it's not positive.
It's not possible.
Yeah. You literally have to do this with spacers behind both nuts. Because this is where it tightens down. But actually what you can probably do with this, put it in the press, and smash this in. It'll bring this whole pulley out.
Johnny, where the hell's your coolant?
See how to burp it. You can't burp without running it.
Well, you can fill the jug up.
I guess
Your air gap's too big.
it's
I don't need a gauge. That looks like it's fucking an eighth of an inch.
Joey, what the fuck you got going on down here?
what? Well, I don't have money, so I'm resourcing that.
But I think that's part of your problem is it's not picking up the signal. You can't shimmy that in no more.
What?
That's bracket.
No, maybe.
We can loosen it up and kind of push it in some. I think you're in time now. It seems like it just kind of, it's not pulsing the whole time.